रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में अप्लायंसेज एंड गैजेट हमारी लाइफ का एक इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट बन चुका है। अब चाहे वो एंटरटेनमेंट की नीड्स हो या वर्क फ्रॉम होम की इंपॉर्टेंट मीटिंग्स के दौरान स्ट्रॉन्ग वाईफाई कनेक्शन। जब हमारी ज़रूरतें डिपेंडेंट हैं अलग अलग अप्लायंसेज और गैजेट पे, तब बिजली की कंटिन्यूस पावर सप्लाई हमारे लिए ऑप्शन नहीं बल्कि नेसेसिटी बन चुकी है। अगर कुछ पलों के लिए भी पावर कट हो जाए तो लाइफ थम जाती है। पावर कट से सारे काम रुक जाते हैं, अप्लायंसेज एंड गैजेट काम करना बंद कर देते हैं और आपके किए कराए काम में रुकावट आ जाती है। ये प्रॉब्लम्स और कंपाउंड हो जाती हैं गर्मियों और मॉनसून सीजन में, जब विदाउट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रात को चैन से सोना भी मुश्किल हो जाता है। अगर आपकी बिल्डिंग में सेंट्रलाइज्ड पावर बैकअप नहीं है तो देन ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। आपके घर में पावर कट की दिक्कत को दूर करने का सबसे आसान तरीका है एक होम इन्वर्टर। इन्वर्टर ये श्योर करता है कि आपके घर में कंटिन्यूस पावर सप्लाई बनी रहे। अपने घर के लिए इन्वर्टर एंड बैटरी चूज करना बड़ा ही ट्रिकी काम है। ये फैन और मिक्सर स्टोर से खरीदने जैसा आसान नहीं, बट बहुत ही टेक्निकल काम है। आपको अपने घर की लोड रिक्वायरमेंट, बैकअप टाइम और एवरेज लोड कैपेसिटी कैलकुलेट करनी पड़ती है और उसके अकॉर्डिंग करेक्ट मॉडल एंड बैटरी कॉम्बो चूज करना होता है। इस बात का ध्यान रखिए कि हर घर की लोड नीड्स अलग होती हैं, सो अपने पड़ोसी को देखकर आप सेम इन्वर्टर कॉम्बो नहीं ले सकते। बट फिकर नॉट, आपकी इस दुविधा का समाधान होने वाला है आज का ये वीडियो। आज का वीडियो इतना आसान होने वाला है कि आप अपने घर के लिए राइट इन्वर्टर और बैटरी रिक्वायरमेंट्स को खुद ही कैलकुलेट कर पाएंगे। फॉर दिस, let's visit a load calculator link provided by the topmost inverter brand in India and select the right inverter and battery combination models basis your power requirements. First, let's open the load calculator link from Luminous. As you can now see on the screen, we are using the load calculator link of Luminous. I will show you how to use the link in the step-by-step guide. बट इससे पहले आपको ये डिसाइड करना होगा कि आप अपने घर में कितने बल्ब्स, फैंस, अप्लायंसेस या किसी और प्रोडक्ट पे पावर बैकअप देना चाहते हैं। ये बेसिक तैयारी आपको पहले से ही करके रखनी होगी, जिससे आपकी जर्नी स्मूथ हो सके। दिस पेज हैज अ लिस्ट ऑफ मोस्ट यूज्ड होम आर्टिकल्स विथ लोड रेट्स मेंशन्ड। लेट्स स्टार्ट बाय सेलेक्टिंग द सेक्शन फैंस एंड कूलर्स. Here, let's select 2 ceiling fans and 1 table fan. Now, let's go to the section laptops and computers. Let's select 1 laptop here. The next section is lights. Here we have a list of common household lighting fixtures. Let's select 4 LED bulbs, 5 watt and 2 tube lights, 40 watts. Below this, you can find the home appliances section. Here we will select 1 juicer mixer grinder and 1 refrigerator. Next section is TV and other entertainments. In this section, we will select 1 television LED and 1 setup box. In the other section, we will now select the surveillance system quantity 1. As you scroll down, you can see the total load, which in our case is showing as 1710 watts. So basically we need 1710 watts of electricity per hour to continuously run the selected articles. Next to this column is the drop down to select the average running load. You might be wondering what average running load is. To find the average running load, estimate how long each device will run during a typical hour. Combine these estimates to get a more realistic picture of power needed. Ideally, एक normal Indian household के context में 75% average load is the most used. But ये बहुत use case specific requirement है और आप अपनी requirement के मुताबिक किसी भी option को select कर सकते हैं. In this case, let's select 75% and click next. In this section, you must define your backup requirements. Generally, for Indian city condition, a minimum 3-hour inverter battery combo is largely preferred by consumers. However, please note that this is a purely personal choice basis the frequency and duration of power cut in your household. In our case, let's select the backup time as 3 hours and click next. This page now shows the power rating of the inverter you will need and shows the battery capacity and number of batteries required. In our case, we require an inverter of VA rating 3500 and 3 batteries of 250 Ah. Now we will click Next, which will take you to the final page. This page is now displaying the model of the inverter. In our case, Optimus 3800 Plus. This inverter has a VA rating of 3800, which is nearer to our requirement of 3500 VA. Please note, we must buy an inverter with minimum 3500 VA rating or slightly higher. Never buy inverter with a lower VA rating than our requirement. You can also see that we have given two options of battery. One is ILTT 28060, which is a 250 Ah tubular battery with a 60-month warranty. Second option we have been given is UCTT 28066 model, which is a fast charging battery with 66 months of warranty. You can choose the battery as per your preference of model and pricing. Please note that these price shows are indicative and not final. Now you can buy these combinations from any of the IBO stores or a brand authorized dealer near you. There are many inverter brands in the market. Some of the top brands in these segments are Luminous, V-Guard, LiveGuard and Microtech. These brands have excellent product quality and service. Our recommendation is to go with Luminous as they are the market leaders in this segment and have a legacy of dealing in power solution appliances. Inverter is not a plug and play product. You need to ensure that your home has wiring provision for inverter setup which connects to all the plug points where you require power backup. So before buying an inverter, you need to consult your electrician and check if your home has the right provision for inverter setup or not. If you do not have any setup already mapped, then only your electrician will be able to map it for you. Do remember that brand service engineer will not do any electrical wiring and circuiting work for the inverter. After this setup, you can buy the product and then choose either brand or your electrician for product installation. Usually, once you register your installation with the brand by calling on the toll-free number provided on the box, brand will have a turnaround time of 24 hours. Brand will charge anywhere between 300 to 500 rupees per battery connection. If you want faster installation or have any wiring related work, you can contact your trusted electrician. Please do not try to install the inverter yourself as it is a safety risk and it is a task better left to the experts. When it comes to warranty, most top brands offer 2-year warranty on inverter where electrical components and manufacturing defects are covered. The batteries have a warranty starting from 24 months and goes up to 66 months where replacement is provided. You can easily find the warranty details on the product packaging. Also remember that warranty of the product starts from the date of purchase irrespective of the manufacturing date of your product. Top brands like Luminous provide doorstep service, saving you from the hustle of carrying the heavy battery to the service centers. Please remember to keep your bill safe and handy to claim warranties in future. Most brands like Luminous provide its customer a convenient way to digitally claim warranty on purchased products. When registered digitally, you don't need to show invoice copy or warranty card whenever service engineer visits to your house. देखा आपने कितनी इजीली घर बैठे बैठे हमने अपनी लोड रिक्वायरमेंट भी कैलकुलेट कर ली और इन्वर्टर एंड बैटरी मॉडल्स भी सिलेक्ट कर लिया। IBO हमेशा इस दिशा में काम करता है कि हम आपको राइट गाइडेंस दे सके। Choosing the right inverter and battery is crucial for reliable power backup. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay powered up.